everybody, welcome in, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to solve a Skewb. Now I just learned how to solve this one last week, and at first it was really intimidating. I thought I knew how to solve a Skewb, but then I wound up asking for help, which was really awesome. It's not too hard to learn, you just need some help along the way to figure out what to do. So first we're going to start by mixing up our Skewb. Make sure you mix it really well. So this one does move diagonally. It's not going to move like a 3x3 does. Everything moves diagonally, and you have 4 corner pieces and 1 center. So it looks like a 2x2 when you're first looking at it because it's got the 4 corners, but it's got that center piece. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start by, you can do this on any side. We're trying to get our white pieces all paired together. So how that is gonna look is we have to get green next to green. So all I have to do is, you think you have to do that, but the green and green have to be on the right side and white has to be facing up. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn, and keep like just rotating this until we get it into place. It should go in right now. So we're just moving it diagonally until those 2 go into place. Next we have red or orange. So here's red, and all we have to do is move this up diagonally and it goes in place. This one is our last piece, but look, it does not go into place properly. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move it up, down, and then we're going to replace this piece, move that down, and then it'll go into place. But now we still have that other white piece that isn't. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna keep like messing around with it and rotating it until you get all of your corner pieces in the right place. This does take some time, and honestly still takes me a good while to get all my pieces lined up and in the right spot. So just be patient with yourself. Give yourself some time when trying to get your pieces in the right spot. It does take a good while just to figure out how everything is moving and where it's going. So after you get all your pieces in the right spot, I will show you what to do next. All right, so I got my white corners all in the right spot. That does take a little while. Next, we're gonna get white up to the top. So we have our 4 white corner pieces, and my white piece is here. So we're gonna turn the white piece to the back and work here. So it's right here on the back, and we need to move it up here. So we're gonna move the right side down, the left side down, the right side up, the left side up. Now we're gonna turn the cube all the way back around. So now we have the white side facing us. We're gonna move the right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up, and see, there you go. Now your white side is solved. Now that we got white in the right place, now we need to get yellow. So yellow needs to go opposite of white. So we're gonna hold yellow in the back, white on the bottom. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. Then you're gonna turn the cube all the way around and do the same thing. Right side down, right side up, left side up. Now white is in the right place. All of our pieces are just facing the right way. So you should have yellow on the bottom, white on the top. Now we're gonna look around our cube, and you guys can see that 2 are solved on each top section. Hold white facing up. Here's where green is supposed to go. Here's orange, blue, and red. We're just gonna start from wherever because none of our pieces are solved. But if you would have a center in the right spot, say this piece would be red, it would be in the right spot, and you just hold it down. We need yellow and white on each side. I'm just gonna go down on the right side, down on the left side, up on the right side, up on the left side, turn it all the way around, and do the same algorithm again. Now I have 1 in the right spot. We're gonna hold this down. Green needs to go up here. So since green needs to be moved up, we're gonna hold it in the back. Right side down, right side up, turn it all the way around, and do the same algorithm again. Now all of our center pieces are in the right spot. Now we have yellow. So you can get a yellow parity where 2 of them are solved. I noticed that if you just hold the pieces in the right spot, so make sure there's no yellow pieces in the front, this still works, and then you can get this. So we have headlights. This is what this is called. You're gonna hold them to the left side, down on the right, down on the left, up on the right, up on the left. Now don't turn it. We're gonna do that same algorithm again on this side. And there you go, it should solve. And that is how you solve a Skewb. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you guys want to see how to solve other Rubik's Cubes, I got a pretty good collection here and can run some tutorials for you guys. I just need to know which ones you guys need to know how to solve. Make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.